Are you looking for the all-in-one color sticker printer? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 5 all-in-one color sticker printer, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 5. Canon MegaTank MAXIFY GX2020 All-in-One Wireless Color Printer. Print, copy, scan with duplex printing. Refillable tank system, compact desktop design. Wireless print, scan, copy for home and office. Brand, Canon. Printing technology, inkjet. Special feature, auto document feeder, Energy Star, touchscreen. Color, white. Model name, MAXIFY GX2020. Printer output, color. Maximum print speed color, 10. Max print speed monochrome, 15. Item weight, 17.8 pounds. Print up to 3,000 black and white or 3,000 color pages using a single set of inks. 1. 2.7-inch LCD color touchscreen. Auto two-sided printing. ADF 35-sheet auto document feeder. See below for disclaimers. Number 4. Brother INKvestment 4355 Wireless Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer with 1.8-inch color display and manual feed slot. Includes refresh subscription trial. Brand, Brother. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Printing technology, inkjet. Special feature, auto document feeder, auto duplex, Energy Star, network ready. Color, white. Model name, MFCJ4355DW. Printer output, color. Maximum print speed in color, 19 ppm. Max print speed monochrome, 20 ppm. Item weight, 19.6 pounds. Best for home office and small office, this multifunction printer makes it easy to print, copy, scan, and fax, all in one compact printer. Includes one 1,800-page yield black cartridge and 750-page yield cartridges each color, cyan, yellow, and magenta. Wireless, mobile, and USB connectivity. Connect your way. Interface with your printer on your wireless network or via USB. Enhance your workflow with Wi-Fi Direct, which allows you to print wirelessly even without an external network connection. Cloud app connections. Print from and scan to popular cloud apps, including Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, and more, with an impressive 1.8-inch color display that enhances clarity and ensures effortless operation. Number 2. Liene PixCut S1 Inspire Kit, all-in-one color sticker printer and cutting machine. Thermal dye sublimation photo printer, 300 dpi, color label maker with 180 sheets. Brand, Liene. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Printing technology, thermal dye sublimation. Special feature, color label maker, custom badge, phone skin creator, photo printing, sticker making. Model name, DHP700. Printer output, color. Item weight, 2.9 kilograms. All-in-one convenience, print and cut in one step. Say goodbye to the hassle of using separate machines. The PixCut S1 seamlessly integrates high-resolution photo printing and precise die cutting into one streamlined device. With just a few clicks on the user-friendly app, you can edit, print, and cut directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth. Create stickers in just 2 minutes. The Inspire Kit includes 36 photo papers and 144 sticker papers, so you can create endlessly without running out. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Pro ET5150 Wireless Color All-in-One Super Tank Printer with scanner, copier, plus auto document feeder, large. Brand, Epson. Connectivity technology, USB. Printing technology, inkjet. Special feature, refillable ink tank. Color, white. Model name, EcoTank ET5150. Printer output, color. Maximum print speed in color, 9.5 ppm. Max print speed monochrome, 17.0. Item weight, 15 pounds. All-in-one printer gives you printing, copying, and scanning capability. Printer has a resolution quality that goes up to 4800 by 1200 dpi for excellent readability. 17 ppm in black and white and 9.5 ppm in color with a monthly duty cycle of 33,000 pages. One XLAN, one USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi connectivity help enhance productivity. Number 1. Liene PixCut S1 Color Sticker Printer and Cutting Machine, All-in-one sticker maker for DIY crafts, custom labels, and gifts. Thermal dye sublimation photo printer, 300 dpi, precise AI auto cutting. Brand, Liene. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Printing technology, thermal dye sublimation. Special feature, custom badge, label maker, phone skin creator, photo printing, sticker making. Color, white. Model name, E700. Printer output, color. Item weight, 6.2 pounds. All-in-one convenience, print and cut in one step. Say goodbye to the hassle of using separate machines. The PixCut S1 seamlessly integrates high-resolution photo printing and precise die cutting into one streamlined device. With just a few clicks on the user-friendly app, you can edit, print, and cut directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth. Create stickers in just 2 minutes. This all-in-one solution saves you time and effort, making your creative projects more enjoyable and efficient.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.